Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yumiti. So today I will present my journal analysis. There is two journal that I have analyzed. The first is model pembelajaran bahasa Inggris Taman Kanak-kanak Widyapura Pajang Surakarta, and the second one is peningkatan kosakata bahasa Inggris melalui permainan tradisional yang dimodifikasi. The first journal, method or strategy. In this journal, the researchers state that learning method used by the teacher to delivering material is listen and repeat. And then to improve the effectiveness of learning, in the learning process, the teacher use strategies learning while playing, because with these strategies are considered appropriate and widely used at the kindergarten level. The second one is pro and contrast of TWL. Pro. The introduction of foreign language in school is given at the college level to even to the kindergarten level. Kindergarten level recognition assumes that when children are at an early age, they will be younger to observe and imitate the vocabulary given by the teacher. And the contrast is, on the other hand, learning English at the kindergarten level has many obstacles, because English in Indonesia is considered as a foreign language. So learning must also adjust to the condition of the learner. The teaching methods also adapt the teacher in the school, and the teacher's background also is a concern, where sometimes the background of the teacher is not given much attention. And the next is language component. In this journal, there is two language component given by the teacher. The first is vocabulary and the second one is pronunciation. The vocabulary give when the teacher give a picture to the student, the picture of fruits, and the teacher mention the name of the fruits repeatedly, so it can be easy captured by the student. And pronunciation, when the teacher asks student to recite the name of the fruits that have mentioned before. And the next update issue of TWL. The problem that occur in this journal is the use of listen and repeat method is quite effective. Is that just there's some things need to be considered is completely the facilities, infrastructure in the learning process, and adjust the vocabulary given to the children's level understanding. Apart from that, this method is suitable and widely used for learners learning English at the kindergarten level. And the last is integrating technology. Relating to the use of technology in the learning system, in this study, educator, or we can say that the teacher, have not used technology in teaching and learning process. Teachers still use traditional media such as bookmark, textbook, and picture. Okay, we move to the second journal. Method and strategy that used in this journal is modified traditional game Sleipnir, or better we know that the game of dragon. Sleipnir itself actually an accompaniment song from the game that is sung in a row, where two children will form a tunnel of pairs of hands, and then will be passed by the other children. The tunnel seems to collapse when the song Sleipnir is finished and will trap the children. And then the children trapped in the tunnel must to mention a vocabulary. The second one is pro and contra of TWL. Pro. The introduction of English needs to be applied when the children are young. This is because children have a very good level of brain flexibility. And as stated by Brewster 2003, that the right age to teach language, especially vocabulary, is at the age of children. And the contrast is introduction English in the region is not easy as imagined. There is still a lack of human research who have the required English language competence. Many of them teach English without having sufficient English skill. So the identification process seems forced. The next is language component. In this journal, there is the language component provided by this method. The first is vocabulary, and then the second one is pronunciation. The vocabulary given when before the game. The teacher will introduce some of vocabulary related to the theme determined. And then pronunciation, when the children play the game, and when they trap in a tunnel, they will be mentioned one of vocabulary related to the theme. Okay, the next is update issue of UL. The update issue in this journal is introducing English is not easy. The method is one of the main keys of teaching success. Using the traditional games method is one of the effective methods proven by the result of the testing method, which is able to improve student vocabulary master. Apart from the aims of increasing the vocabulary of traditional game method, it is also a means to preserve and integrate culture. And the last is integrating technology. The connection with the application of technology in this study, the teacher does not use technological media for the learning system, but instead use traditional games to improve the physical and psychological well-being of the children. I think that enough of the presentation.